સીડ ઓફિસર ક્લાસ 2ની એક્ઝામ પ્રિપરેશન માટે દાંતીવાડા એમસીક્યુની આપણે સિરીઝ ચાલુ કરી હતી, જેનો 20મો પાર્ટ છે પ્લાન્ટ પેથોલોજી. ફર્સ્ટ એમસીક્યુ, આઇરિશ ફેમાઇન વોઝ એસોસિએટેડ વિથ લેટ બ્લાઇટ ઓફ પોટેટો. બેંગાલ ફેમાઇન વોઝ એસોસિએટેડ વિથ brown leaf spot of paddy. Aspergillus flavus produce toxin is known as aflatoxin. Ergot is produced by Claviceps purpurea. Late blight of potato was associated with Irish famine. The area under coffee has been occupied by tea in Ceylon due to rust disease. The founder and father of mycology is P.A. Michelli. Bordeaux mixture was discovered by P.M.A. Millardet. Father of plant pathology in India, E.J. Butler. First plant parasitic nematode was reported by T. Needham. Father of modern plant pathology, Anton D. Berry. Father of American nematology is N.A. Cobb. Heterogeneous nature of rust fungi was discovered by Anton D. Berry. Solar treatment method for control of loose smut of wheat was given by J.C. Luthra. Theory of pasteurization was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Father of microbiology, Anton von Leeuwenhoek. The tobacco mosaic disease was firstly reported by Adolf Meyer, who gave Nobel Prize for pure-line crystalline of tobacco mosaic viruses W.M. Stanley, who recorded wheat burnt disease and proved its contagious nature, is Tillett. Name the scientist who worked with black stem rust of wheat, is Casey Mehta. Epidemiology એ પણ એને જ આપી છે. Who discovered sexuality in fungi, Blaxley. Who discovered physiological race of pathogen, Stackman. Polymorphism nature of fungi was discovered by Tulane brother. Who work on breeding for disease resistance, J.C. Walker. Gene for gene hypothesis given by Floor. Which antibiotic was first discovered by Fleming, is penicillin. 5 kingdom of system of classification given by Whitaker. Nova Plantarum genera published by P.A. Michelli. Synopsis Methodica fungorum published by Pearson or Pearson. Synopsis Methodica fungorium by Pearson. Selecta fungorum Corpologia published by Tulasne brother. Who started Indian Phytopathological Society, New Delhi, B.B. Mudkar. એના કોટન રસ્ટ ઉપર કામ કર્યું છે. Pathogen which require 2 different hosts to complete its life cycle is heteroecious fungi. A pathogen or fungal pathogen who completely its entire life cycle on same host is autoecious fungi. The book Fungi and Plant Disease was written by E.J. Butler. Alternate host of stem rust is Barberry. Binomial nomenclature was given by Linnaeus. Pathogenic nature of fungi was discovered by Prevost. Pure culture technique of fungi developed by Brifeld. An agent causing disease in host tissue is pathogen. A plant that is invaded by parasite and from which parasite obtain nutrient is known as host. A plant that is invaded by parasite and from which parasite obtained nutrient is known as host. Any agent that depend on other for survival is parasite. Fungi living on only living host is known as obligate parasite. An organism that use dead plant organic material for food is known as saprophyte. Majority of fungi are saprophyte. A pathogen mainly parasite on plant may become saprophyte under certain conditions sometime is known as facultative saprophyte. A pathogen, mainly saprophyte, on dead organic matter and may become parasitic when suitable host become visible or available under certain conditions for some time is known as facultative parasite. Eukaryotic microorganism is fungi. Prokaryotic organism is bacteria. Unicellular microorganism is yeast. Which organism does not have cell wall? Phytoplasma. Viruses are obligate parasites that live on living organism. An organism contain neck RNA is viroid. Tobacco mosaic virus caused by virus. Then tobacco leaf curl virus. Tobacco leaf curl disease caused by virus. Yellow vein mosaic in okra is caused by virus. Papaya leaf curl disease is caused by virus. A virus particle is known as virions. Root knot disease of vegetable crop is caused by nematode. Potato spindle tuber disease is caused by viroid. Cyprus canker disease caused by bacteria. Angular leaf spot of cotton is caused by bacteria. Sesamum phyllodes is caused by phytoplasma. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by phytoplasma. Grassy shoot of sugarcane is caused by phytoplasma and vector is aphid. Red rust disease of mango is caused by algae. Mottle leaf of citrus disease is due to deficiency of zinc. Chlorosis in groundnut is due to deficiency of iron. Khaira disease of rice is due to deficiency of zinc. Zinc deficiency cause disease in rice is Khaira disease. Zinc deficiency cause disease in citrus is mottle leaf. Citrusની અંદર mottle leaf is Zn deficiency. Khaira disease in rice due to Zn deficiency. Which of the following complete stem parasite? Dodder. Which of the following partial stem parasite? Loranthus. Which of the following is complete root parasite? Orobenchi. Partial root parasite? Striga. Soil temperature or soil moisture is a abiotic factor, and disease caused by algae is a biotic factor. Atmospheric impurity or toxic substance cause disease in mango fruit due to sulfur dioxide gas near blink clean is known as necrosis. Common scab of potato is favored by alkaline pH of the soil. A science which deals with study of flowering and parasite. Science deals with study of flowering plant parasite is known as phenerology. Fungi is eukaryotic, heterotrophic, and achlorophyllous. Which fungus is used as biocontrol against soil-borne disease is Trichoderma. Which fungi used as a research tool to study law of heredity and genetics? Neurospora crassa. State the name. State the name of fungi which use as directly as food is Agaricus bisporus. Which is edible fungi? Mushroom. Rhizophus stolonifer fungi is used in industry for production of fumaric acid. Aspergillus niger fungus used in industries for citric acid. Aspergillus niger citric acid માટે યુઝ થાય છે. Symbiotic association of some fungi with root of green plant is known as mycorrhiza. A relatively simple plant body devoid of stem, root and leaves is known as thallus. Individual filament of fungi is known as hypha. A mycelium where close walls are absent is known as asepty. When mycelium living in between cell is intracellular, when mycelium lying in the cell is intracellular, while lying between the cell is intercellular. Fungi which grow inside the host tissue is referred as endobioticum. The short thin hypha growing in a root-like fashion toward a substrate is known as rhizoid. The absorptive knob લાઇક ઓર્ગન ઓફ ફંજાઈ, એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન કરી વોસ્ટ્રેસિયા અને અટેચમેન્ટ કરી એપ્રેસોરિયમ. અ ટાઈપ ઓફ પ્લેન્કેનકાઇમા વિથ લૂઝલી woven tissue are known as prosenchyma. The septum, which one or more septum pore permitting the continuity of cytoplasm between adjacent cell is primary septum. Fungal tissue is known as uh, Plectenchyma. The wall of fungi is made up of chitin, and cell wall of Oomycota fungi is made up of cellulose. The existence of different kind of nuclei in the same mycelium is known as heterokaryon. A thallus which produces single reproductive organ is monocentric. A thallus fungi bear both male and female organ is known as monoecious. A thallus completely convert into reproductive structure is known as holocarpic. A portion of thallus convert into reproductive structure, થોડુંક પોર્શન હોય તો યુકાર્પિક અને આખું બધું કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જાય રિપ્રોડક્ટિવ સ્ટ્રક્ચરમાં તો હોલોકાર્પિક. A fungi bearing only one sex is known as dioecious. A sexual stage of fungi is teleomorph. Asexual stage of fungi is known as anamorph. The female sex organ of fungi is oogonium. A male sex organ of fungi is antheridium. A fusion of protoplast of two opposite gametes is plasmogamy. Fusion of two compatible nuclei then is karyogamy. જ્યારે પ્રોટોપ્લાસ્ટનું બે અલગ અલગ ગેમેટના પ્રોટોપ્લાસ્ટનું ત્યારે પ્લાઝ્મોગેમી અને ફ્યુઝન ઓફ કમ્પેક્ટેબલ ન્યુક્લિયાઈ ઇઝ નોન એઝ કેરિયોગેમી. The motile spore of fungi is known as planospore અને non-motile spore is known as aplanospore. A spore produced by fragmentation of hyphae is arthrospore. A spore produced by budding is blastospore. Flagellum with hairy projection look like comb is known as tinsel. Which of the following phylum not included in kingdom Protista is Oomycota? The exogenous sexual spore is zoospore. Endogenous sexual spore is oospore. Which is the asexual fruiting structure is pycnidium. Which of the following is a sexual spore of fungi is oospore? Which of the following sexual fruiting structure of fungi is perithecium? Flask-shaped ascocarp with osteolate is known as perithecium. Completely closed ascocarp is Cleistothecium. The fusion between vegetative cell is known as semitogamy. A transparent or colorless hyphae of fungus is known as hyaline. Reproduction involving union of two nuclei is sexual reproduction. In general, આમાં એક જોઈ રહેવું પડશે પેરા આવે છે કે એસેક્સ્યુઅલ આવે છે. A parasexuality of fungi discovered by Pontecorvo and Roper. A group of related species is known as species. I normally class આવવું જોઈએ. Orderly arrangement of organism into group, preferably in format that slow evolutionary relationship, is termed as classification. Genus is a noun in a Latin language written in italic with first letter capital. In fungal classification, phylum end with Mycota. In fungal classification, class end with Mycetes. And in fungal classification, order is end with else. The fungal classification, family end with Aci. Which of the following phylum not included in kingdom Straminophila is Plasmodiphoromycota? Which of the following phylum not included in kingdom fungi? Oomycota છે એ kingdom fungi ની અંદર આવતું નથી. Generally, each ascus produce 8 ascospore. Generally, each basidium produce 4 basidospore. Clamp connection is the characteristic of Basidiomycota. Asexual or imperfect fungi belong to order Deuteromycotes, belong to class Deuteromycetes. Imperfect fungi છે Deuteromycetમાં આવે છે. Downy mildew fungi belong to family is Peronosporea, Peronosporiaceae family. A compact somatic structure, much like matter, on which or in which fructation usually form is known as stroma. A cushion-like structure which conidiospore and conidia are formed is known as sporodigium. Sporodochium. White rust of cruciferous is known as albugo. Zoospore produced in a vesicles is the characteristic of pythium. The production of endophytic slime mold is the characteristic of Plasmodiphoromycota. In a rust fungi, sexual spore is teleospore, while in rust fungi, asexual spore is iridospore. An outgrowth resulting from abnormal increase in number of cells is hyperplasia. An outgrowth resulting from enormous increase in the size of cell is hypertrophy. A rust having all five spore, eschispore, iridospore, teleospore, basidospore, and spermatia in its life cycle is known as macrocyclic rust. A gram-positive bacteria division is Firmicutes, while gram-negative bacteria Gracilicutes. A bacterial flagella found around the cell is Petrichorus, while bacterial cell with single flagellum is Monotrichous, while bacterial without flagella they are Atricus. A German scientist who studies anthrax disease of cattle and sheep is Robert Koch. Bacillus. Bacillus subtilis cell are rod-shaped. Arthrobacter are pleomorphic. Agar-agar is obtained from algae. A Journal of Mycology and Plant Pathology published from Udaipur. A Journal of Mycology and Plant Pathology published from Udaipur and Indian Phytology Journal is published from New Delhi. Thank you. Next part next વિડીયોમાં કવર કરજો.